Good morning.
Stop saying it. Go away, Dad.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you this morning?
Good.
Hello, welcome to the channel. My name is Kai and today is the very first day of October, which means it's the very first day of Vlogtober. Now, if you don't know what Vlogtober is, the idea of Vlogtober is that we vlog every single day in October. And it's something that I've always wanted to do, but never really had the time or the energy or the ideas to be able to commit to it. But this time round, I've created a challenge on uz.io and 27 other people have signed up to that challenge and have decided to join me in Vlogtober. So this whole month, I'm planning on creating a video every single day. Now, I'm a full-time content creator, so I will also be losing my light, obviously. Let's try another light over here. So for me as a full-time content creator, I'm going to be sharing snippets of my day, what I do. I'm going to be sharing little bits of family life and also sharing content creation tips and tricks with you, taking you through the process of a lot of the stuff that I do on a daily basis. So if you're interested, please do subscribe and follow along for that.
Going off to school now?
Yes.
What's that zip on your little trousers for, buddy?
It needs to have a
What are you going to put in there?
stone.
Stones?
No, 2 stones. Dad, look it.
Okay, I'll see you later. Can I get a big boy cuddle?
No.
So what I'm working on today is a video for my YouTube channel, which is a video that has been sponsored by OBS Bot. They very kindly sent me this piece of equipment, which is called the OBS Bot or OBS Bot Tail Air. And I've made a quick review video on that and like an introduction to the OBS Bot and its capabilities. And I'm still editing that video now. So I want to edit this. I need to do the thumbnail to this video. I've got a couple of hours just to kind of get the editing sorted, get some music on there, and then get this live by about midday. So I'm going onto Artlist now, and as a content creator, I actually get Artlist for free. I get Artlist Max for free because the lovely people at Artlist love to support creators. So shout out to Artlist. I'm just rendering now. And in the meantime, I've been watching The Tribe. The Tribe is something that I used to watch as a kid. And my brother sent me a message about The Tribe. He sent me like a nostalgia thing on Instagram. And I was like, oh my goodness, I haven't seen The Tribe in forever. And if you know anything about The Tribe or if you're a fan, let me know in the comments below. We're gonna do the thumbnail now. I'm literally just setting up the studio to be able to get a captivating thumbnail. I normally take photos and will edit them in Photoshop a little bit to try and make them as aesthetic and eye-pleasing as possible. That's what we're gonna do now. Get a bit of smoke going. Oh, not too much. Now that's far too much, like just fills the screen. I think we've taken quite a few different shots. Just gonna turn those off. We're gonna have a look at these on the computer now and see if we can edit something. One of the things I want to use Vlogtober for is to actively stay active. So I want to use this as an excuse to remind myself that I have to be active every single day in October. As a content creator, we sit down a lot, we do a lot of editing on the computer, it takes copious amounts of time and hours, and it really doesn't help our health. So one of the things I have is a standing desk. I have a running machine that my sister gave me, and I'm gonna place it under my standing desk to get some steps in while I edit this photo. So let's get on with it, come on, let's go. This is the final thumbnail, the smartest streaming camera, and it's the world's smartest streaming camera, the OBS Bot Tail Air 2024. This actually isn't due to go live until the 8th of October. So there's almost like a week to go before this review goes live. These kind of sponsored videos, they don't tell you what to say, which is good because it's your perspective. It's what you weigh up as pros and cons or how you use it in your work. And I like the fact that most companies work like that. I know there was a controversy with Insta360 telling their influencers or content creators what to say, and not to mention that it's a sponsored post and not to mention they got it for free. I absolutely did get this for free, and it's a pretty awesome camera as well. I do rate this. I'm like really excited to see like what I can do when it comes to live streaming because I don't really live stream, so it's going to be really interesting to use it. Just as a side note, for those of you who subscribed for the cameras and the reviews and the tutorials, those will still be happening throughout this month. And I'll be showing more of the process in these vlogs of how I create those videos, how I do brand deals, how I get stuff for free, how I work with different companies and corporations. So if you're interested in knowing more about a day in the life or a month in the life of a full-time content creator, then hopefully you will stick around and watch. In the challenge that I created, I've basically got 31-day challenge ideas for the vlog for my community members to try out. If you guys have any ideas for me that you want me to try out in Vlogtober, let me know in the comments section. The Kai Academy is something that I set up about a year ago now. I've got about 115 members. If you want help in your content creation journey, then also think about signing up to the Kai Academy. It's absolutely free, and I do run challenges like this from time to time to kind of inspire and motivate you on your content creation journey. So do think about that. Okay, so I've got to make a quick detour to get Naya from school. So I'm just going to run up the road now, quickly grab her, and then we can get back to work. Such a miserable raining day. Just picked up Naya from school, and I've got this real bad head cold. I keep sneezing. Do you want to close that door behind you?
I'm hungry.
I'm thirsty. It's proper coming down now as well. It's a miserable day. Ah, the door is locked. How was school, little one?
Good.
Getting wet there? Come in. All right, this is a segment in the vlog which is going to be referred to as Naya's Nuggets of Knowledge. So Naya, would you like to share some advice for today for content creators to use when creating their content?
So it is Vlogtober today and I'm very excited. So I have some advice. So Vlogtober is about snippets of your day. So when you're doing it, don't do every single part of the day. Just do one part and sometimes make it exciting, not boring, because then you can have more people just getting interested. So yeah, let's move on to my dad.
So do snippets of your day and make it not boring, make it interesting. Makes sense, right?
Yeah.
All right, let's play some Black Myth Wukong.
3.
5 times 3 is 5, 10, 15.
5 times 8.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 30.
6 seconds up.
Why does it give us 6 seconds? Why
Because you're meant to memorise them.
9 times 9.
81.
9 times 6.
2, 3, 4, 5. 90. 6, 7, 9. Oh my god.
You do know how to do
Peanut.
So Naya has to learn. Why is that so blurry? Naya has to learn her times tables all the way up to the 12 times tables and answer within 6 seconds.
Yeah, from ba ba ba.
And that is that big test is happening
What
in June.
is
So we're going to have to
that?
basically drill her on her times tables every day
Peanut.
for the next 9 months.
No, it's not. Either but. Either but. Either but. Either but. Please stay.
That's all for today, guys. Just as a side note, if you're interested in joining the Kai Academy, the Kai Academy is what I set up about a year ago. It's on uz.io. It's a community of like-minded content creators. People from all over the world have joined. If you want help kickstarting your content creation career, then absolutely I would say sign up to the Kai Academy. It's free, but I do challenges like this every so often to help motivate and push you to try and create more for your business or your hobby, whatever you're creating content for, something that you might want help in being motivated to do, then sign up, and I'll leave a link to that in the description. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I will see you all tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.